Is property upkeep keeping you up at night? Relax, it's under control. At Realty Management Group, we believe well maintained homes rent faster, stay occupied longer, and keep tenants happier. That starts with a secure online portal for easy 24/7 maintenance requests from tenants. We coordinate with trusted vendors to respond swiftly, day or night, weekends or holidays. Every repair is handled efficiently. We monitor the invoices and receipts, then include them in your monthly owner statement. And you can also check them anytime in your owner portal. So, what's in it for you? Quality repairs at competitive rates, peace of mind that your investment is protected around the clock, accurate billing transparency, and fast responses that keep both tenants and property in great shape. Ready to safeguard your rental and minimize headaches? Visit choosermg.com to get started with a specialist today.